Welcome. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Good morning, Attorney Cossino, Attorney Dornfeld, members of the committee, Attorney Allard. My name is Shirley Pripstein. I'm an employee at Greater Hartford Legal Aid. I'm here to testify for all of the legal services in Connecticut in opposition to the idea of a presumption in favor of shared parenting. The bill that was before the legislature last year would have defined shared parenting as approximately equal parenting time for the two parents. The reason that is something I think that sounds good in theory, but in practice I think would be very inappropriate. There is no empirical evidence that shared parenting, a 50-50 division, is in fact in the best interest of children. You've heard some of the psychological testimony, and you may hear more psychological testimony, and I note that you do have some psychologists on the panel. Children have a need for stability, the back and forthness of equal parenting. Time is not necessarily in the best interests of children, and in fact there are specific instances where it's highly inappropriate. When the parents live in different towns, it creates conflict as to which school the child will go to. We've seen cases where there's conflict when the parents live in different towns as to what sports teams the children will play on. Can they play on the sport team for either town if their parents live in different towns? It's inappropriate when there's been a history of domestic violence between the parents, which is an indication that at least one of the two parents does not have the communication and compromising skills necessary for co-parenting. It's inappropriate when one of the parents has mental health or substance abuse issues. Why would you want to put a child in that situation 50% of the time? Connecticut has a well thought out child custody statute which lists a number of factors that for the court to consider in making orders of custody. A shared parenting presumption really elevates the rights of the parents above the best interests of the children. It's, in my opinion, a backward approach. It goes toward treating children like chattel. The legislature had before it last year a bill regarding animals and required the appointment of a GAL before the court made orders about animals. Why would you not want to treat children as well as you treat animals? Thank you. I'll be happy to answer any questions from the panel.
Are there any questions for Attorney Pripstein? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shirley.